Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've come across the Peru face mask and are wondering if it's the skincare game changer it claims to be, or just another overhyped product, then this quick review is for you. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on online research and personal opinion. Let's get straight to it. The Peru face mask currently holds a 3-star rating on Amazon based on just 11 reviews, and honestly, the feedback isn't looking great. Several users say they saw zero visible results. One reviewer even mentioned that the product is sticky, smells weird, and comes with instructions only in Chinese. That alone can make things confusing or even risky for non Chinese readers. What's more, the mask is sold across different websites at varying prices, which often signals inconsistent quality or a generic private label product. Some users call it outright misleading, promising skin benefits it simply doesn't deliver. So, is the Peru face mask legit or a scam? It doesn't appear to be a full blown scam, but based on the reviews, it also doesn't seem to live up to the hype. For now, it looks like another too good to be true skincare item that fails to deliver results. You might want to skip this one. Hope this helped you make a better decision. If you've tried Peru or other similar product, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real reviews.